G'day guys, Ron here from Osborne Digital Marketing. Today I'm going to show you how to submit a sitemap in Google Search Console. Let's jump straight into it. Okay guys, so Google Search Console is a very cool tool. If you don't have it installed, all you'll need to do is click on the link above. That I show you how to install it, the easiest method possible. You can have it done in minutes. Okay, once you have it installed, what you want to do is we want to jump over to our website. Now I'm going to show you two methods of uploading your sitemap. I'll show you the way that you can do it with rank math, and I'll show you the other way that you can do it by finding the sitemap. So what you want to do is we want to go into the back end of our website. We want to scroll down to the rank math plugin. And as you can see, the rank math plugin will show us the sitemap settings. Now in the sitemap settings, that's where we're going to find where we can actually locate our sitemap. So the way we can find our sitemap is it tells us right here, your sitemap index can be found here. So we simply click on that link. That gives us a link to our sitemap. Okay. So once we have that link, that's what we can utilize. Now, the other way of finding a sitemap is I'll show you this way. So Osborne DM is the company domain. So Ronald Osborne is my business coaching and consulting page. But another way you can find a sitemap is simply doing this. So you put the slash sitemap.xml. Okay. Now, as you can see, this looks a little bit different compared to the sitemap here. That's because on this page we have rank math, and on this page we have Yoast. So depending upon how your sitemap looks, it can look a little bit different, and the information can be a little bit different. So depending upon what CMS, so content management system, you have for your website, it will look different. But that's how you can find it for any WordPress site. Okay, so now what we do is all we need to do is grab the very end of our URL here. So we don't need to grab the full domain, because once we've connected our website to our Google Search Console, submitting our sitemap on the Google Search Console is very, very easy. So you click on the sitemaps in the left-hand column. Now, as you'll see here, we have the front end, we have our domain right here. So we actually can't put in the back end. So all we need to do is copy the later part of the URL and we just place that there. Then we simply hit submit. And now we're submitting the sitemap in the Google Search Console. Now, as you can see down here, guys, you can basically see when it was submitted, the last time it was read. So it was read yesterday for me, and what was discovered. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have gained value and now you know how to submit a sitemap on the Google Search Console, make sure you hit that like button. If you can do this now, I'd really appreciate that. If you have any questions, guys, just put a comment down below. I get to them as often as I can, and I love helping out. So guys, have a great day. Cheers.